Just after 9 o'clock this morning, with little fuss or fanfare, this Cwmbran GP became one of the first people on the planet to receive a vaccine. History being made in a sports hall more used to players than patients.
So Dr. Gareth, you've had the jab, talk us through it.
Well, it was very simple, the process, to come in, be registered, wait in line, socially distancing, so everything's been safe this morning, that's most important, and rolled up my arm and had the jab. We've all made personal sacrifices, family sacrifices. You know, being a GP, I've seen the sacrifice, I've seen the loss, and to actually be doing something positive, something that could control the pandemic, is important for everyone.
The coronavirus has turned this world upside down in 2020, and all we waited for was a light at the end of the tunnel. And it's finally here. That vaccine, that's the thing everyone's wanted, and it's finally here in Wales.
So this is the vaccine that we're giving. So it is only a small dose.
And that has to be kept at really low temperatures, but it's not at -70 there.
No. So this is at room temperature now. So yeah, it's got to be kept at in the freezer, and then behind the screens behind us, that's where they're mixing it and diluting it, and then we collect it from them to bring here to administer to the patients.
You proud to be part of it?
Definitely, yeah, very proud moment this is.
In this ordinary looking hall in Cwmbran, some extraordinary things are happening, because this is the fight back. The first vaccines against coronavirus. Today, 300 people will be getting them in here. There'll be people working on the front line, care workers or the NHS. By the end of the week, 6,000 doses of the vaccine will have been administered across Wales.
And waiting in line for her turn, Dr. Amy Jones, someone who's kept Wales updated all year with what's going on in her own intensive care unit.
Sharp scratch. Well done. The symptoms that you might get over the next couple of days is a fever, muscle aches, a headache and tiredness.
How was that then?
That was fine actually, didn't hurt at all. It hurt less than the flu jab, barely felt it.
Is it a bit of a risk that people look at this vaccine now and think, oh, it's all over?
Oh, I think, yeah, massively. And I think, this is a very long and dark tunnel we're trying to get to the end of, and this is just the first step.
We heard yesterday how there's more people in hospital now with this than ever before. Yeah. What's it like on the ground right now?
It's horrendous. It's everywhere is full, and we're still seeing all these, relatively young, fit patients rolling through the doors of ITU. It's not the tidal wave we had in the first wave where we just got smashed, but there's 3 or 4 patients every single day needing ITU. It's just getting busier and busier.
This health crisis isn't over, but today is a good day. All because of this, and the hopes the world has for it. Rob Osborne, ITV News.